That was long awaited. It was of Prime Minister Modi, who had earlier said, right after the massacre, that the backers and those who sponsored terror will be punished. And now, while the operation is still ongoing, Prime Minister Modi made this address and very categorically said that Operation Sindoor is the new policy for India now against terror, reiterating terror, talks, trade cannot go together. But also whether it was the Indus Water Treaty, whether it is with regard to water and blood that cannot flow together, but also assuring not just the Indian public, but also reminding Pakistan that this time, any future act of terror will be considered act of war. Let's listen in to the excerpts in case you missed the highlights from Prime Minister Modi's address to the nation.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने आतंक के खिलाफ लड़ाई में एक नई लकीर खींच दी है। एक नया पैमाना, न्यू नॉर्मल तय कर दिया है। पहला, भारत पर आतंकी हमला हुआ तो मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया जाएगा। हम अपने तरीके से, अपनी शर्तों पर जवाब देकर रहेंगे। हर उस जगह जाकर कठोर कार्रवाई करेंगे जहां से आतंक की जड़ें निकलती हैं। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ये सिर्फ नाम नहीं है, ये देश के कोटि कोटि लोगों की भावनाओं का प्रतिबिंब है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर न्याय की अखंड प्रतिज्ञा है। 6 मई की देर रात, 7 मई की सुबह पूरी दुनिया ने इस प्रतिज्ञा को परिणाम में बदलते देखा है। भारत की सेनाओं ने पाकिस्तान में आतंक के ठिकानों पर, उनके ट्रेनिंग सेंटर्स पर सटीक प्रहार किया। आतंकियों ने सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था कि भारत इतना बड़ा फैसला ले सकता है। लेकिन जब देश एकजुट होता है, नेशन फर्स्ट की भावना से भरा होता है, राष्ट्र सर्वोपरि होता है, तो फौलादी फैसले लिए जाते हैं। इस आतंकी हमले के बाद सारा राष्ट्र, हर नागरिक, हर समाज, हर वर्ग, हर राजनीतिक दल एक स्वर में आतंक के खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई के लिए उठ खड़ा हुआ। हमने आतंकवादियों को मिट्टी में मिलाने के लिए भारत की सेनाओं को पूरी छूट दे दी। और आज हर आतंकी, आतंक का हर संगठन जान चुका है कि हमारी बहनों बेटियों के माथे से सिंदूर हटाने का अंजाम क्या होता है। पाकिस्तानी फौज, पाकिस्तान की सरकार जिस तरह आतंकवाद को खाद पानी दे रहे हैं, वो एक दिन पाकिस्तान को ही समाप्त कर देगा। पाकिस्तान को अगर बचना है तो उसे अपने टेरर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का सफाया करना ही होगा। इसके अलावा शांति का कोई रास्ता नहीं है।
My colleague Piyush Mishra joins me for the latest on that. Piyush, tell me about the responses that have come in after this address to the nation, especially the kind of tone, the body language, the choice of words that Prime Minister Modi had clearly seems to not only have made an impact, but it sets a certain narrative on how India intends to go ahead.
Well, certainly, Pooja, we are now seeing as to how the strong message has been sent out to Pakistan by Prime Minister. And remember that in the last around 15 to 16 days, the Prime Minister himself has been monitoring each and every development. And yesterday at 8 p.m., he addressed the nation where he has made a lot of points that talks and terror, trade and terror, water and blood cannot go hand in hand. Water and blood cannot flow together. So this is a direct message to Pakistan. Prime Minister has also said that we are now working on 3 big points and Operation Sindoor will continue. If we talk about these three points, one is that if there is any terror attack, then we will decide as to when, how and where to target, and it will be a much bigger hit. Second, that we cannot now have any kind of nuclear blackmail coming in from Pakistan. And third is that if any terror attack happens, then we will not differentiate between the masterminds of terrorists and also the Pakistani government. So Prime Minister has now drawn a red line, and if Pakistan crosses that, then yes, actions will be taken. But after yesterday's statement of Prime Minister, we are also seeing, Pooja, the politics taking shape. There are a few political parties who are now coming out and saying that it was not Prime Minister who, agreed for the ceasefire. It was Trump who had intervened and he ensured that ceasefire is there between both the countries. But one thing is absolutely clear, which Prime Minister has also highlighted, that when we damaged a lot of military infrastructure and also terrorist camps in Pakistan, Pakistan came as begging. Pakistan requested for ceasefire. It called our DGMO and then only we agreed for that. Remember that we have made our stance very clear, but the politics on this entire matter continues to take place. We'll have to wait and watch how the other opposition political parties further going to comment on Prime Minister's speech.
Okay.